Very good afternoon. My name is Komal from BSc First Year Chemistry Honors. Today, my presentation on the topic of chemistry of noble gases. Firstly, we know about the introduction of noble gases. In 18 group element helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radium and oxygen present. All the elements of 18 group are gases and chemically unreactive, and these are known as noble gases. In some certain condition, they react to form some compound. These gases are also known as inert gases, rare gases or noble gases. They were called inert gases because they are chemically inert. They occur in nature in less quantities, hence were called rare gases. We are also called noble gases and also called inert gases, and we can also call zero valency gases because like noble metals they found in free state and enter into some chemical reaction under specific condition. Occurrence: all the element 18 group except random and igneous are present in atmosphere, and abundance of these gases in the dry air in approximately 1% by volume of atmosphere. Argon is abundant in air about amount all the noble gases. Helium, commercially source of helium in nature, gas, xenon and radium are the rare element of the group. Discovery of a argon in 1785, Henry Cavendish discovery of a argon gases. Discovery of helium. Helium was first detected spectroscopically by Lockyer in Sun atmosphere in the year 1868. Lester on Ramsay in 1995 discovered. Discovery of neon, krypton and xenon. Ramsay and Strauss performed certain experiment on argon. Discovery of radium. Radium was discovered by Dorn in 1902 as a result of the study of distillation product of radium. Electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of a noble gas is NS2 NP6, but general electronic configuration is in helium is NS2. Except helium, all the noble gases have 8 electrons in their outermost shell, so that they are inert in nature and known as noble gases or inert gases. जैसे कि helium have a atomic number is 2, electronic configuration is 1s2. Element neon have a atomic number is 10, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Argon 18, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. This is a electronic configurations of a noble gases. Internet caches of a noble gases. Noble gases have NS2 NP6 electron configuration in their outermost shell, except helium because it have a 1s2 electronic configuration. Thus, they can neither donate nor accept any electron, hence they are chemically inert. All elements are paired, hence electrons are not available for sharing. Therefore, they are unable to form covalent compound. Noble gases are unable to expect their valency shell, thus the formation of a compound is not possible. Due to low electron affinity, they cannot accept electron and hence are unable to form compound. Physical property existent: all the elements of 18 group exist in gas state, and these are monoatomic gases, colorless, odorless and tasteless. The monoatomic state of these gases, due to stable electronic configuration of their atoms, as a result, they are not capable for combining even amongst themselves. Atomic radii: in this case of a noble gases, the atomic radii correspond to van der Waals radii. As we go down the group, the van der Waals radius increase due to addition of new electronic shells. On moving from top to bottom, atomic radii of element of group is increased. Ionization enthalpy, the electronic configuration of 18 group element is stable so that these elements not have tendency to lose the electron, hence they show very high ionization enthalpy on moving from top to bottom. Then ionization enthalpy decrease in atomic radii. Electron gain enthalpy. Element of 18 group do not have tendency to accept the electron due to their stable electronic configuration, hence they show large positive value of electron gain enthalpy. Melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling point of noble gases are very low in comparison to those of other substance of a comparable atomic and molecular mass. Age of liquefaction. The noble gases are not easily liquefied. This is due to the fact that there are only weak van der Waals forces which hold atoms together. This is also clear from low value of heat of vaporization of these gases. Due to increase in atomic size and therefore increase in van der Waals forces, the age of liquefaction increase down the group from helium to random. Solubility in water. The noble gases are only slightly soluble in water. The solubility in generally increase from helium to random. The helium has usually properly of a diffusion from laboratory material like rubber, glass, plastic. Their ionization potential gradually decrease at the atomic number decrease. Chemical property. The noble gases are almost inert, do not able due to following reason. The noble gases have 8 electrons in their outermost shell or obey them. Exception, there are 2 electrons in their outermost shell of helium, or it complete the doublet and behave as noble gases due to stable electronic configuration of noble gases. These are inert. The noble gases have very high ionization enthalpy and more positive electron gain enthalpy, hence they do not have to lose or gain the electron. The certain condition of temperature and pressure, the noble gases react to form the compound. The first attempt to prepare compound of noble gases was made by Neil Bartlett. Xenon fluorine compound. Xenon fluorine are 3 binary fluorides XeF2, XeF4, XeF6 by the direct ligation the element. Xenon in gaseous state in excess react with fluorine in the presence of 673 Kelvin and 1 bar, then formation of a xenon difluoride in solid state. Structure of a xenon difluoride is trigonal bipyramidal. And in the present, lone pair not include, so there are remain only two bond pairs, so its structure is linear. And geometry is trigonal bipyramidal and structure is linear. Formation of a xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon react with molecules fluorine. It is in extreme condition, temperature and pressure, 673 temperature and 7 bar pressure. Then formation of a xenon tetrafluoride. Structure of a xenon tetrafluoride is square planar and geometry is octahedral. Formation of a xenon hexafluoride. Xenon react with a molecular fluorine in ratio 1:20 at very high temperature 573 Kelvin and very high pressure 6073 bar. Then the formation of a xenon hexafluoride. Xenon hexafluoride can be prepared by the interaction of a xenon tetrafluoride and O2F2 at 143 Kelvin. Geometry is pentagonal, bipyramidal, and shape is destroyed octahedral. And xenon hexafluoride have a destroyed octahedral shape because by one lone pair destroyed in complete octahedral shape. Then the formation of a destroyed octahedral shape. Thank you.